Hello everyone. In the previous class we have seen how to represent the coordinate point on the plane figure. Then how can you identify the particular position of the point on the plane. Now today we will discuss about a Cartesian system. It means that coordinate points. Now we know already what is the coordinate points. The particular position of the point in the plane is called Cartesian system or coordinate points. Now see the two more points here. Now one more point, we'll recall that before in the last in the first lesson, that is in number system, we well know about the how to represent the integers on the number line and how to represent the rational numbers on the number line. Now similar, see here what they given here. First point, distance from a fixed point are marked in the equal unit positively in one direction and the negative in the other direction. Now see that here a figure is there. The distance from the fixed point, that is O, and the distance from this fixed point on the right side is positive integer, and the distance or from the fixed point on the left hand side are called as the negative integers. Now see the distance. Now see the second point, the point from which the distance are marked. Now see these left and the right side points are marked from the center, that is the point. Now this from this point they have taken the distance from this point. For this point, what we'll call that? The origin. Remember, the point from which the distance are marked is called as the origin. For this point we'll call that a origin. Now O is the fixed point. Now see here, the distance between the each number is called as the 1 unit. Similar in the negative integers also, the distance between the two integers are called as the 1 unit. I hope it is clear for you. Now see that. See the next points here. We know that a vertical line, we'll call this for this line vertical line, and this line is called as the horizontal line. Vertical and the horizontal lines. Now see that middle fixed point is 0. Then below of these zeros are negative integers. Above this 0 are called as the positive integers. Similar here, right of 0 numbers are called as the positive integer. Left of the 0 integers are called as the negative integer. Now fixed point is called as the origin. So one more point, what is that? Horizontal line and the vertical line. Now see perpendicular. Now see that if these two lines join, it forms that in particular, that is a perpendicular. Now see that what is the perpendicular line? The angle between the two lines is 90 degree. Such lines are called as the perpendicular line. Now see that these two lines you have to join. See here. Now if the both lines are joined, now see that these two lines are perpendicular lines. Now remember, this is the y dash, x dash. Correct? Y-axis and x-axis. Now remember, now see that here positive integers on the x-axis, negative integers on the x-axis. Positive integers on the y-axis, negative integers on the y-axis. Now for this portion, see what we call that here? Positive x-axis and positive y-axis. Then similar negative y-axis, this is negative x-axis, and here this one is the negative y-axis. These are the remember, this line is called as the negative x-axis. This one it should come that this side, not this side. Remember, see here, this is the negative x-axis and this is the negative y-axis. Clear? Positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis and a negative y-axis. Now these two perpendicular lines are these perpendicular lines. Now see for this center point, what we'll call this one is the origin. When the two lines are intersect to this point, and this point is called as the origin. Clear? Now see one more point. Now these perpendicular lines are divided this plane figure of quadrant. Now see what is the quadrant. Now here quadrant, what you call here quadrant. Now see what is the meaning of the quadrant. Quadrant means 1/4 part. What is that? 1/4 part. Quadrant means a 1/4 part here. Now see, this is a totally one part. From this one is called as the one quadrant. What do you call this one? This is the first quadrant. This is the first quadrant. And this one is the second quadrant. Second quadrant. And this one is the third quadrant. Third quadrant. And this one is the fourth quadrant. Clear? Now see that quadrant means 1/4 part here. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. Now one more very important point you have to remember. What are the coordinates? What are the signs of the first quadrant here? Now see the first quadrant sign here. X-axis is also positive. Y-axis also positive. This is a very important point. Now see that this is a positive. Both are positive signs in the first quadrant. Then what is the second quadrant? Second quadrant here. Now see here. X is how much is there here? Minus. Y is plus. See that minus plus. Clear? Then come to this one here. Now here X is also negative and Y is also negative integer. Then what about the fourth quadrant here? Now see, X is positive and Y is negative. X is positive and Y is the negative. Remember the even integers or signs also the four quadrant of the Cartesian plane. Clear? I think it is you understood this one. See that these all points you have to copy and read the again and again. Then you can remember these important points. Clear? Now next part we'll see that tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.